Hey guys, so it's me CJ, your runaway travel buddy. So, samahan niyo ako ngayon sa isang magandang adventure na puno ng excitement, thrill, and fulfillment here in Baguio. So, tara, runaway tayo guys. So guys, here's the first two you need to do. Secure your ticket earlier and be on time. So, agahan yung pag-book ng ticket. Dapat before the day na alis kayo, meron na kayong ticket and check the time ng departure and kung anong bus. Then yan, meron silang pet friendly here na bus if meron kayong dalang pet. Plus, be on time. Dapat mas maaga kayo dun sa time ng alis ninyo. Since halos punuan na guys, nung bumili ako ng ticket, ang nabook ko is regular Aircon Express na bus, which is 666 pesos isa. Then, ayan, let's go. Alisa tayo guys. Ayan, so to sa tabi siya ng entrance ng guys. For the baggage counter. So yun guys, 7 AM pa kasi yung pwede sa baggage counter kanina na pwede mag-iwan ng gamit. So kakain muna kami dito sa may Jollibee. Yes, that's it guys. Yeah, so start na guys, it's 7 AM.
Panganita.
50 pesos na lang.
Yes guys, so done with the baggage counter. So magsi-CR muna kami guys, dito siya. Dito lang. Yan. Hello guys, so we're done with the baggage and everything here at Victory Liner. So let's start with the tourist na pwede natin puntahan. So from Victory Liner guys, ito lang yung mga taxi. Yeah.
Oh, strawberry taho!
So this is their entrance fee guys. Kindly do some screenshots for your reference. Hey guys, so first stop natin will be the Baguio Botanical Garden. Welcome to Baguio Botanical Garden, one of the most beautiful and relaxing attractions in Baguio City. Surrounded by towering pine trees, colorful flowers, and cultural displays. This garden offers the perfect escape into nature. Whether you're taking photos, enjoying a peaceful walk, or simply appreciating the cool mountain air, there's something here for everyone. If you're visiting Baguio, don't miss the chance to explore this scenic and refreshing destination. Wow!
Botanical Garden. Ay, bakit? Walang F2 for today's video.
So, itong Baguio Botanical Garden guys, this is 12 minutes away dun, 12 minutes drive away dun sa may Victory Liner kapag pupuntahan nyo ito. And here's, ito yung pinakamagandang part dito guys. Wow. Ganda. So hindi pa tayo tapos mag-ikot, guys. So malawak pa tong Baguio Botanical Garden. So meron ba ditong exciting part? So puntahan natin siya later. Ganda din. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Japanese Tunnel Walk. So dati, World War II guys, ginagamit itong bunker for taguan ng mga supplies at ng sundalo. So tara, pasukin na. This historic tunnel is believed to have been used by Japanese forces during World War II. Today, it stands as a reminder of Baguio's wartime history and attracts visitors interested in exploring the city's past. Surrounded by lush greenery, the tunnel combines history, mystery, and nature in one unique destination. If you're visiting Baguio Botanical Garden, make sure to add this fascinating spot to your itinerary. Yun guys, so we're done with the Baguio Botanical Garden. So let's head to our next stop. Hey guys, so we're here now at the Camp Jenhae Parks. So this is 12 minutes away guys from Baguio Botanical Garden. Welcome to Camp Janhay in Baguio City. This is one of the most relaxing and scenic destinations in the city, known for its cool pine forests, peaceful walking trails, and beautiful nature views. Originally a rest and recreation base during the American period, it is now a popular spot for tourists who want fresh air, nature walks, and Instagram-worthy views. Whether you're here for sightseeing coffee shops or just to unwind, Camp Janhay is a perfect escape from the busy city life. If you are in Baguio, this is definitely a must-visit destination. Alam nyo guys, kung ano nagustuhan ko sa Camp Janhay, very relaxing siya and it really gives tranquility. Para siyang Baguio Botanical Garden pero mas matindi yung level na peace or relaxing na moment meron dito. Kasi nga, ito yung tinatawag natin na may pool of pines. So ito naman yung picnic area guys. So ito yung rental rates. Pause for details na lang guys. Yan. The purpose of this cemetery is to bury or to encourage visitors to bury their negative thoughts, bad habits, stress, and worries. Wow. The Bell House is a preserved American-era vacation home that has been turned into a museum inside the historical core of Camp John Hay. It was built during the American colonial period, early 1900s, named after General J. Franklin Bell, a U.S. military commander. He developed Camp John Hay as a military rest and recreation area. So this is Bell House, guys. And I was happy na way back 2018 na nandito ako sa may Camp John Hay. Ang daming pagbabago, ang daming changes, ang daming mga spots na nabuksan. So dati kasi ano lang to picture taking lang. Yung sa may bandang part dun sa may unahan, sa may pinagbabaan ng taxi. So ngayon ang dami ng spots. May Bell Amphitheater, may Bell House. So yun, marami na dagdag, guys, and spots. So tuloy natin. Wow, majestic. Ganda, ganda. Ganda. Grabe yung Baguio, guys, no? So, napakayaman talaga niya sa history. So, marami siyang mga spots dito na we really need to see. So, yun. So kung makikita nyo, guys, most ng rooms na dito sa Bell House is kinda the same sa my teacher's camp. So ganun din siya. Ang ganda, ganda. So that's all for Camp John Hay, guys. So napakaraming itinerary dito and spots. So please drop by kapag pupunta kayo dito sa may Baguio. So see you on our next spot.
At madilim yung una pala. Wow.
Paano pa ba ganyan?
ganda. Very artistic yung vibe talaga.
is blowing through our hair. The lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and let's light up the sky.
Piliinin ka no? Mamaya ulam yan. Magbabakit yan. Marami na kayo nakasyalan.
So we had lunch at SM Baguio guys since it's close to our accommodation. Plus, it's also within walking distance if you're up for a walk.
A few moments later.
So finally, we're here na at our accommodation guys. I'm so happy and relieved na second time na namin dito and highly recommended namin siya naming magkakapatid and ng aming pamilya. For the room tour guys, so this room is good for 4 to 5 packs and 500 per night plus pets are not allowed here guys. Ay, ang ganda ng view dito sa labas. Wow. So ito yung view sa labas guys ng transient namin. So second time na namin dito guys kay Zig. Iya po. Cooking utensils, laboratory, master's bed. Then, lock type. Yan, kompleto din ulit. Yung kagamitan. Ref. Hey guys, so andito na kami ngayon sa transient. So kanina nakapag room tour na ako. So medyo wala na kasi energy guys. So pagoda na yung person.
1 hour later.
So yun guys, so mag-stroll muna tayo ng mga areas na malapit sa may accommodation natin. So inuna namin itong teachers camp since sobrang lapit lang naman ito dun sa may accommodation. Then after nito is mag-merienda na kami sa may Joseph's Restaurant or dun sa may Lateral White House before. Kain tayo dito ma oh. Joseph Restaurant lang yan. Anong bahay?
Hindi Lateral yan?
Hindi.
Mabait siya. Yung malaki.
This is Joseph's Restaurant in Baguio City.
Let's go!
Located inside the historic Lateral White House. It offers fine dining, elegant ambience, and delicious French-inspired cuisine. So let's explore this unique dining experience. While waiting for our food to be served, let's walk around guys and explore the beautiful interiors and surroundings of Joseph's restaurant. That's it.
Pabili ka na. Pakita yung velocity.
Baguio Cathedral, one of the most iconic landmarks in Baguio City, officially known as the Our Lady of the Atonement Cathedral. This beautiful church is famous for its pink facade, twin spires, and stunning hilltop location overlooking the city. Built during the early 20th century, it serves as the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Baguio and remains an important place of worship for both locals and visitors. Whether you're here for prayer, sightseeing, or photography, the cathedral offers a peaceful atmosphere and breathtaking views of Baguio. Hey guys, morning. So hindi na ako naka-update kahapon guys kasi gawa nang napagod kami dun sa may teachers camp, cathedral, and then dun sa may Joseph restaurant. So I would like to commend first yung Joseph's restaurant kasi ang sarap. Then yung service nila is very professional. Ang taas no service rating ko for them. Then sa foods, I would recommend you to taste hot chocolate and then yung burger. Very sarap siya. So now, we will continue our tour pa sa mga remaining time natin before checkout. So let's go.
Aray ko.
So ito yung pinaka-common area guys. Yan. Ito yung common area niya. Ito yung view. Yan. So before kasi guys, so nag-check-in kami dito nung unang ano namin dito sa Zig. Hindi ko na siya napakita kasi doon kami sa may baba. So ngayon ito siya. Yan. So kahapon guys, share ko lang. Doon pala sa may Joseph restaurant, hindi talaga di ba open na siya for public? Hindi talaga pinapapasok doon sa may attic, doon sa may portion na yun. So, probably doon talaga yung mga strongest part. So, even I So, mapifeel mo din naman siya. Pero, overall, masarap yung food.
lang natin, mag-ibili ka. Okay.
Wow, perfect. Ang ganda. Yan, so itingi-scan na guys doon sa may...
Sa may Alapap, doon po i-drop sa first.
Hey guys, so andito na tayo ngayon sa may Mount Kamisong. So first stop nyo dito will be the Hiraya. So yun yung ticketing nila, admission. So dun nyo siya babayaran. Then yung cart, yung parang card doon na electric car, pwede lang siya for PWD, pregnant. Dun yung purpose niya. So yung first station natin, yung glass walk. So yun, dun siya banda. Yun, so let's explore guys, tara. Wow!
Ibang dito sa pinto, 200 siya. Extend mo lang 10 minutes eh. Parang nag-message.
Yan guys. So, ito yung CR nila. Ito yung panlalaki ng babae. And tawag dyan is silakbo. So, tara. At pasukin natin siya sa loob.
So the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, let your soul and mine. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together.
Sa pagbaba nyo guys, galing ito sa tree off. Marami pa siya dito guys. So guys, ito naman yung Kalupi or Kalupi gift shop. So meaning na Kalupi guys, I don't know if yun yung gamit nila, pero kasi wallet meaning nun. So let's try.
Light up the sky. Let's light it up. Come on, light it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's light up the sky. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the Now we're together. Now we're together. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Let's light up.
So ito yung So yung next stop natin guys, kanina Kamal, ngayon Shontog. So pinasosyal siya na naunti. Sorry. Yan, Shontag guys. Pinasosyal na nauntog. Aray, na-shontag ako. Aray. Aray, na-shontag ako. So, ito naman yung next, guys. Yung Aduyon. Tara. Pabain natin. Ganda rin ang view dito, guys. Oh. Wow. So, guys, Mount Kamisong nga, malawak siya and you'll find peace here sa mga may hugot dyan, sa mga may hinanakit. Like, ay, syakit. Ay, syakit. So, yun guys. Then, yung entrance dito is 500 pesos. So, dun siya sa Hiraya sasettle lahat ng ano. Then, yung shuttle dito ha, is for PWD, pregnancy, mga ganun. Yan, so far na kumpleto na natin mostly yung mga itinerary here or spot. So, siguro magla-last stop na lang kami sa Marahuyo. Wrong! Ay, pusang galat.
Ah, sinisira mo yung nature.
Feeling ko rinig kasi dito eh.
Bibig ko si Big dito.
May prutos.
Try natin ito ba? Baka may light movement.
Ito Alab Cafe, guys. Ay, ang ganda naman nito. Oh. So, ito naman yung Kahilom, guys. Ganda.
Never smoke, vape, or chew tobacco. Smoking and vaping are forest fire hazards, but better looks good and create unsanitary conditions. With static wildlife,
Wow!
avoid feeding them or disturbing them while
Meron pa siya sa pababa. Oh.
Sino na mama?
Tara baba tayo, guys. Yun guys, so ang meaning pala ng Kahilom is peaceful or stillness. Morning po. So magre-register pa dito guys.
May isang
Before
representative, ma'am, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Ganda.
Ma'am, we have
Ang pati mo. Baya ka po daw. Ay, ayun o. Ganda. Ganda dito. Para kang ano, para siyang nag-hiking. And then, sa wakas naka-experience na rin ng para kang nagka-camping. Yan.
It's blowing
So let's go guys for Maginhawa. QC! Charot lang.
This is the perfect night tonight.
Ay, ang ganda nung guys. Oo, nakikita niyo ba yun? Parang siyang Alice in Borderland. Ay, hindi pala. Alice in Wonderland pala. Oh my God. So that's it guys for Mount Kamisong. Let's head to our next spot.
Taas po, no?
Nakakami sa mama hanggang baba.
Quick, quick. Quick, quick time. Mama eating. So ito yung iconic guys yung sa TikTok. Yes. So this will be our next spot guys, the Bell Church.
Uy, Dalmatian!
So bago pumasok guys, you need to register first dito sa may park na to. As you enter, you'll notice the colorful Chinese-inspired architecture, intricate dragon decorations, peaceful gardens, and pagodas that reflect traditional Chinese culture. The temple's design follows feng shui principles and features lotus ponds which symbolize purity and beauty. Welcome to Bell Church, one of the most unique cultural and spiritual landmarks near Baguio City. It is established in 1960 by Chinese immigrants led by Nang Pi. This temple serves as a place of worship and a symbol of unity among different faiths. So let's go further guys. So, dun kayo mga galing sa may baba, tapos dito sa may pangalawa. Ayan siya. Yan, pagka-akit kayo guys, ito yung view nyo, makikita nyo na yung itong portion ng sa baba. Tapos ayan yung sa baba. So tara. So we're done with the Bell Church guys, so let's head to our next spot. Check out time! So done with the checkout guys. Thank you Zig Transient once again. Hi. So let's go for our lunch guys. So we will be having Beanstalk Bistro. So we're here na guys at the City Center Hotel. So yung Beanstalk Bistro is located on the second floor. So here's their menu guys. You can do some screenshots for your preference. Uy, ang sarap ng beef stroganoff. That's it. So, done with the lunch guys. And papunta na kami nito sa may Victory Liner to go home. So we're here na guys at Victory Liner. So yung travel time is 6 minutes drive from Beanstalk Bistro. So ngayon guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa may Victory Liner. So sasakay na tayo ng Castaway going to Cubao. So ang bus natin will be sleeper. So ayan, hintayin na lang yung number dito as per dispatch. So okay, baba na ako guys. So later, explain ko yung price nung sa bus. Yeah, so this is a sleeper bus guys. So ang price nun guys is 1,581. So pwede nyo siyang i-purchase sa direct na dun sa may Cubao. Kasi nag-check ako nun sa may papunta. So dun na raw diretso sa may mismong branch, which is dun sa Cubao. So dun ko na siya doon ko na siya pinurchase. Okay, so let's check later more on the sleeper bus. Then for the tourist spot, so sadly kinapos tayo sa oras since ayan, parang umulan na naman siya. So kahapon din umulan, so medyo nabawasan yung tourist spot. So ngayon, so next time na lang sa next plan. So if you find this video complete and full of thrillement, excitement, and fun, so don't forget to drop me by some love and by sharing, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yay! Yan guys, hey guys. So ang ganda yan dito yan. So makahiga ka ng comfortable plastic. Diba? So mas comfortable siya higaan. Ayan o, meron din siya lagay coffee drinks. Then charging port. Kasi tapos guys, meron din itong CR syempre. Ito siya, malapit lang yung room ko sa CR.
Merong wipes.
Pwede guys. So, kung gusto yung ano guys, kung planning nyo mag-plan nyo, try nyo. So, this is how comfortable sleeper bus is guys. And hanggang dito na lang guys. So, if you find this video fun and informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. See you on the next one.